What is up, guys? It's your boy David King with another edition of Unboxing the Best. If you have not already had a chance to check out the series, please do. There's already a couple videos in it where I go through a journey of adding to my shoe game, upgrading my entire feet, but doing it with a budget in mind. Not having to spend out $1,000 every pair of shoes, making them somewhat affordable for not only me, but so if you see something cool you like, you can also go and purchase. So right here, I've got my newest edition of shoes. I decided to go a completely different route, away from what I've been doing in the past couple videos. So these are a little bit different, a little more unique, different colorway, just to kind of mix it up a little bit. I did order these shoes from GOAT again. I just have great success with GOAT. They're very quick on ship times. The shoes always come in great condition, and they always verify the product, so I know I'm getting a legitimate product and not just a fake or a knockoff, which some sites do. So what's cool about these is they are a custom edition. Let me go ahead and pull the box out. Boom, there you go. So what we got here is the Adidas M&Ms. These are very, very cool shoes. They're unique. They come in multiple colorways of all the M&M colors. And they're very, very cool. So let me go ahead and unbox these for you. What's nice about this box, it is a special edition box for the M&M edition. So right off bat, as you can see, you've got the M&Ms all over the box and inside the box, which is really, really cool in itself. The paper is very cool. It's the Adidas M&M crossover. Very cool. And then let me go ahead and pop these bad boys out for you. Again, if you don't like this colorway, that's okay. They make them in all the different colors. Brown, blue, green, red, yellow, and of course, the ones I purchased, orange. These shoes are very, very cool, okay? For the price, they're the best. Right off the bat, if you look at the back of these shoes, obviously they always have the Adidas logo on these. They decided to toss an M&M on the back, which is very, very cool. Go further in detail, if you look at the toe of this shoe, you'll notice they've got the M&M logo right there. And then as well on the side you have the M&M. And even inside the shoe, they did some M&M detailing. And I actually think, if I'm not mistaken, yep. So one of the shoes will have your M&M guy in there with, I'm not sure what it says. I think it's just the M&M logo, but I really enjoy the small details that they did with this shoe. Very clean. And then of course they got the call-outs to the Adidas. You get the bubble in the middle of the Velcro strip with the Adidas logo, and then the tag that's M&M colored but is actually Adidas logo. So very cool. And the best part about these shoes, which is of course what everyone's here for, these shoes cost $87 before fees. So these are cheap shoes. They're very clean. They're a little loud, obviously, but I like loud. I'm a fan of, you know, having shoes that shout out to you. But what's cool is if you don't like these, they do have subtler tones, blue and brown and all that good stuff. So definitely check into these shoes, as well as check out my upcoming videos and the videos that I've already made. Especially the last video, I went over what shoes I had prior to starting this series to kind of give you an idea of where I came from and where I'm going with it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please come and check out the next one that I'll be making. You guys have a wonderful day. Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.